It's like I want to hold it in my hands, but I also want my hands so I can not die. Okay. All right. Here we go, everybody.
Well, I officially didn't see anything. I had my blindfold on.
All right, here we go. Get it up. All right. See, can it pull me? Oh, God, stop! It works. All right, give it a little bit. Oh, wow. This is frightening. This is the worst. This is the worst idea I've ever had in my life. Oh my God. No. Oh my God. Oh look, it's working. It's pulling us. It's pulling us. All right, that's it. That's it. Woo. Wow. Oh God, we're all gonna die. Get into the grass. Oh wow. Good Lord. That was the scariest thing I've ever done in my life. So, can a drone pull you in a wheelchair down a driveway? I mean, yeah, actually, like it was a little rough getting started, and but once it got going, it actually was pulling me. And like what I was doing with the wheelchair, the wheels, is like trying to keep it level because we had it kind of tied to the side. Oh, wow, is that
was awful. It was so bad because it just gets into an oscillation, and it took me a long time to figure out, like, oh,
yeah, it was ultra scary because it was like here, then it went like this. I was like, no, stop, no, please stop, we're gonna die.
And I'm trying to make it stop, like everything is wrong.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm glad we're done with that one.
Yeah, if anybody asks, don't do that.
What do the Mythbusters say? Tested, approved, or what they used to say? What was it? Because like it was busted. I don't only remember the busted. What did they say?
Confirmed.
Confirmed. God, my brain is fried after nearly dying. Confirmed. You can drive a wheelchair with a drone on the street, but don't.
Yeah.
Don't let me tell you what to do. But maybe don't. Maybe don't. Don't do that. Okay, so how was flying the beast tied to a chair?
That was insane. It was insane because you have to remap in your mind, because if you think of it in the arc, if I want to go down, I have to nose under all the way under that arc point. So it's beyond dive, and then, but if I'm sitting like this, the throttle will make it rise up. If I slow down, everything was backwards, and so it would just get in that runaway arc, and it was swinging way back. No.
Wow. Oof. That was frightening.
It was so bad. Yeah. But it worked out.
Yeah, it
was so bad until it wasn't. Then, I feel like we can't do it again. But it would go better if we did.
I feel good about where we ended that one.
Yeah.
I feel like
everybody's alive.
I feel like
Nothing
that
broke.
one was good. I think we'll stop there for now.
Yeah.
We'll redesign a new version that involves someone else.
No.